Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday, and we have a very special person visiting us today. Staying with us for the next 2 weeks. Who's coming, Lenny? Lola Karen. So Lola Karen is coming at 12:20. So ngayon, it's still, in 1 hour time. Are we gonna go soon, Daddy? Didn't you say 12:20? She's
12:10 she arrives.
landing?
Yeah, landing 12:10.
We'll still have to drive there.
Yeah. 15 put in the truck.
Bumili si Daddy Mike ng bulaklak na to, guys. Ayan. Ready to survive. Very fresh, huh? You can still smell it. It's nice. Oh, it's making a lot of mess. Ganyan siya. Lagay lang natin sa ating vase para maganda tingnan yung bahay. Sobrang aga nagising ng mga bata kanina kasi very excited sila darating ang kanilang Lola Karen. Maybe I don't need to cut. I think I need to cut it. Hindi ko na mahanap yung vase namin dito. Asa na kaya yun nakalagay? Siguro we broke it. Natapon na.
Let me blow your mind.
Wala. Why did they put it here, Daddy?
What?
Look.
I don't know. Keep it like in position. Let me.
Oh, this is dying. It's so dry now.
Excuse me, local guy.
Too long. Look, see, getting pa.
Yeah. Show your subscribers how I feed you. I can't feed you. Crispy bacon.
Nice.
Sabi,
Tingnan nyo yung ginawa ni Daddy Mike kanina. Daddy made like a platter.
plato.
Fruit. What's this? Strawberries and blueberries. Cheese and... What's this about?
Sausage.
Cabana.
Cabana.
Sausage? Not cabana.
And then ginawa niya ako ng breakfast. Who's coming, ate?
Lola Karen.
Me.
Your twin. Didn't I say change your clothes now, nah? We're gonna go soon, you know that?
No.
Hmm?
No. Here, Mama.
Show me. It's the other way around, Baba.
I did not.
Come on, Lola Karen will say, why is your shoes the other way around?
It's not.
Okay, up to you. You wanna go like that? Hmm? Up to you, Baba. You can go. Ate! Ate! Parisya! Nappy for Lenny, please.
Stop.
Wait.
Stop.
You have to exchange.
I didn't.
Nappy for Lenny.
Give me five. Sure.
Bahala ka.
So guys, we're going to the airport now to pick up Lola Karen. So Celine wants to say hello. Hello. So guys, I'm so excited like I told you. Are you excited, Celine? Yes. So I'll see you when we get there with Lola. Bye.
Short.
Where are you going?
Short. Is it this way?
Is
Yeah.
it going to Melbourne?
It's going to Melbourne, Lynn.
Oh, where is that? This one, that's a new one.
You're a princess. You're a princess.
2C, mommy.
Princess.
2CE.
Mommy, you look like a princess.
Thank you, baby. You are my princess. Go hold daddy hand. Come on, because Lola Karen is here. Andito na kami sa airport, guys. Sa parking. Celine, ayaw niyang bisa ng kanyang dress na sobrang laki, oh. Tapos yung sapatos pa niya baliktad. My God. Ikaw na gid, Celine. It is cold, isn't it, Daddy?
She's happy with it too. You have to ask.
Honey, can you see Lola Karen's hair?
I can see Auntie Karen.
Lady, quick.
Where's that?
You gonna have fun?
Are you? Good, thank you. Oh, how are you? Say hi, Lola. You say hi, Lola.
Hi.
Ating baby ay nakapupo. Okay, hold mama. Come on. Ala, Lola is there now. Bye-bye. Look at Lola Karen. Hey, it's okay, Bobo.
Hello, Louie. Hello, Louie.
He's alright.
Huh.
Hello.
It's okay, boy.
Hello.
It's Lola Karen.
Good job, huh?
Yeah. Oh my God, yeah.
No barking.
He's cute.
Yeah, he's actually cuter, Mom, with when he had his hair.
It's okay. It's okay.
But yeah.
But it probably feels so good having it all back.
If you're when we come in here, like
Did you know he's got
no.
I was really thinking I was gonna be
We thought he
that
was gonna be
small,
like-
you know? But not.
He's cute, bud, isn't
He
he?
is cute.
Oh, look at him.
I know.
Thanks, princess.
What did you say?
You look handsome, Daddy. Fucking oath, mate. Fuck.
Okay. Actually, like, I could hear Chris's voice in my head when you say that.
Fuck.
Yeah.
He told me that he's jealous.
What do you think that is hair, guys? He's feeling himself.
Anyway.
Nagkuha na niya ang kanyang glasses. Naiwan to siya. Yung sunnies niya, naiwan niya sa Melbourne sa bahay ng Lola niya. So, binitbit ng mama niya.
Yeah. Must mean that Chris today is jealous.
Jealous of what?
Me.
You?
Yeah.
Why was have a beautiful what?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Mom. Yeah, this one.
What's in your ears?
Oh, maybe it's too small.
I hope not. Try them.
I'll try it on. I'll try it
If
on.
not, is there anyone you can put them to?
Do you believe in that one, Mom? Like you try it on the neck?
I don't.
That's how
Because
we do it in
even
the
if it
Philippines.
works, they've got to like
How do we do
it
this?
right.
Sorry, can you fold it?
They've got to sit right.
Yeah,
Right?
true.
But if they don't fit, is there any, can you sell them or give them to anyone?
No, let it keep. I'll try it. I'll make it work.
I would have fitted into
How
them
much?
actually once, but not anymore. And for me to fit into them now would be unhealthy.
Louis.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to do this go to the toilet, then I'll go up the shop.
Go.
Go and get some food. I'm going to get some porridge.
Hold this one, Baba, please. I'm gonna finish this
I'm
and then I
not
can go to the
going-
Louis, are you calling me?
Louis. It's okay.
It's gonna be the day in 2 weeks.
Have you got a birthday? Have you got a birthday party to go to? Woohoo!
So yan, binigyan ako ni Ma'am Karen guys ng
Mom,
hands.
see if you can.
Try ko itong
See if you
bukas siya.
can take one out.
Kaya lang,
Look,
maliit
come
na.
here, look. Look what Lola's got. Have a look. Have a look.
Size 36.
Look.
Oh my God pa.
Yummy.
Good
Tingnan niyo.
boy.
Medyo fresh siya.
Snacko.
Di ba? Bongga din to.
Woohoo! Good boy.
Hey, Daddy. We can use that one na. Ano? Kita mo kayong bukol. Kita ang itlog man. Daddy is looking at my itlog.
That's a show I can make this one. You look good now.
Give me. I thought it was too small.
Jump on the floor. Pick it up.
No, it's my, I think, ayan guys, oh.
You look gorgeous.
Get it?
You look gorgeous, man.
Kitang itlog.
Looks like an itlog, yeah. No, you look gorgeous, man. Seriously. Thank you.
It fits me, Mom. It just,
cool.
just shows my...
No,
It just shows my
really
big belly.
nice. That look really nice. You know what I do when I've got pants like
I thought
that?
it's gonna be
They look
really
the best in the morning.
Yeah. To have a decent energy.
End of the day.
Yeah.
No, they look nice.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, good. Excellent.
I thought, because I'm normally like 38. I
Yeah.
thought like, oh, 36.
So what is 38? 8?
I don't know, I'm confused with the sizing as well. Sometimes they got like 36 small and they got 36
See, they're
big.
different sizes to me because when I go to Uniqlo, I'm 25.
Yeah.
But that's really, that's with room,
Yeah.
comfortable. I don't like wearing tight
Yeah.
because it does, because I've got a belly now.
Yeah, like
Yeah,
now.
yeah. And I always have, no matter how skinny I've been, only first thing in the morning, flat. But there's a Greek word for that. So I remember meeting this Greek lady and she said, it's just womanly.
Yeah.
It's just there's a Greek word, it just means womanly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's me just having with 2 kids.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, kailangan namin gisingin itong baby natin, guys. Punta kami doon sa doon kami kakain sa malapit sa tubig ba. Mag-picnic. Picnic kami. Dadalhin namin ang aming Lola Karen. Late siyang nagnap. So, ayan. Baby girl! Pag-jacket ko na yan kasi malapit sa tubig. So, ano. So, as ate. Wow!
Parati.
Wow! What's that red on your head lang?
Very now.
Where you going, ate? Nabuang kasi sa iyang mami ilang tres na eh.
I like doing my nails. Hey.
We're gonna go pick up the pizza. Magpipizza kami.
Perfect sunshine.
Picnic! Are you going on a picnic, honey?
Let's go.
Hi! Finally, nandito na kami, guys. I think it's like 5 something now ng hapon. Kasi Daddy Mike ay nagmamadali. Kasi ayaw niyang ma-miss ng mama niya yung sunset. I'm very excited siyang pakita sa mama niya yung sunset dito. So, pupunta kami doon sa last time namin pinuntahan. Remember when that was Sunday. Tapos, nag-dinner kami with our adobo and rice. Palang lang! I love you. Are you awake now? Hmm? Oh, shush, 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 shush. Oh, shush, shush, shush. Look, you're so heavy, man. Hold my hand. Okay, Lord. Bring it lang lang. Thank you, baby girl. Oh, yummy. That all good, Mom. Have this one.
What's that one?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
Yeah.
I got cheese and that.
That's right. How are you?
Nah, I'm okay.
What are you having? What are you having? Pizza.
Ate,
Ate, ayaw
come eat.
magpaawat. Thank you, baby. Ate. Yeah, Ate.
What's that, Mum?
What is that?
The hotel.
What hotel?
The one with the last one we stayed in.
Ah, yeah. It's beautiful, Mom. Yeah. Look at that sunset.
That.
Playing at the old
helps women find Mr. Right. And Steve will
because you've just had a chocolate.
That's right.
for a couple of years.
I just put all
No,
that.
that's okay. No, that's okay.
It's hard to
I
tell
thought-
like,
I
from
thought
an
Lou took
online
it.
relationship how
Oh, thank you.
I never worry about leaving him
So
alone.
many failed marriages.
hardest part about being with a Nigerian celebrity is his
You can
followers.
press something, take something where it's sore.
I don't have any worms inside my mouth, and when I smile, my teeth are so white. Show your teeth. Yay.
Good job. Karen?
Don't touch the mirror.
Yeah. Yeah. There you go. This one.
My face.
Okay, rinse more. Alright, brush more.
Should I get a little bit higher in the mirror?
No.
Hey.
Don't touch the mirror, please.
Hey guys, on the channel. And that's Aries. Do you like it? How do you like it? I'll show you.
Why should not be falling? Whoa! Oh.
It's your turn, Natty. It's your turn. Go gymnastics.
Okay, we'll do gymnastics, but we can say bye-bye to Tita and Tito, okay?
Bye-bye.
Bye guys. It's now 9 o'clock. Lola
We
Karen
got
is
nearly
here. Are you happy Lola Karen is here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you excited that she's here? What are you going to do with Lola Karen tomorrow?
What?
Oh.
That's
Just a hiccup. What are you doing with Lola Karen tomorrow?
What are you doing?
What are you doing with Lola Karen tomorrow?
I don't know.
You don't know? Yeah, but are you happy that she's here?
Yes.
Okay. How about you, Ati?
Yeah.
Are you happy she's here?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're twins.
You do.
So thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Bye. Bye.